What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to find the molar mass or molecular weight of antimony 3 chloride, which is SpCl3. So in order to find out, we need to find the atomic mass of Sp. Okay, so that's antimony, which is 121.76 grams per mole. Chlorine is 35.45. We need to multiply it by 3 because we have 3 chloride and 1 antimony, so it's going to be 121.76. And over here we have 3 times 35.45. So it's going to be 106.35, 121.76. That makes it as 228.11 grams per mole. So that's the molecular formula or molar mass of antimony chloride, which is 228.11. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.